Today topic of lecture problems in ratio analysis. Current ratio. This ratio establishes a relationship between current assets and current liabilities. This ratio is computed by dividing the current assets by current liabilities. Formula. Current ratio is called current assets by current liabilities. This ratio known the relationship between current assets and current liabilities. This formula. Next, kick ratio. This ratio establishes a relationship between kick assets and current liabilities. Kick assets are meaning those current assets which can be converted into cash immediately. This ratio is computed by dividing the kick assets by current liabilities. Formula. Kick ratio is equal kick assets by current liabilities. In this ratio, known the relationship between kick assets and current liabilities. In these two ratios also liquidity ratios. These ratios you calculated, you understand the current assets and current liabilities. What is current asset? Current asset is any asset convert cash or money in before 1 year. That all assets are current assets. Any asset you convert money before 1 year. That asset is the current asset. These all are current assets. This table also every person you understand for calculation of above ratios, current assets and current liabilities. Cash at bank, debtors, stock or inventory, bills receivables, short term or trade investments, prepaid expenses. These all are current assets. Current assets mean convert the money before 1 year. Any asset convert in cash before 1 year. Next one is current liabilities. What is current liability? Current liability means any current liability paid before 1 year. That all are liabilities is current liabilities. Any loan, any borrowing pay the before 1 year. That all are current liabilities. This is all table current assets and current liabilities. Current liabilities, creditors, bills payables, bank overdraft, outstanding expenses, income received in advance, short-term loans, income tax payable. These all are current liabilities. These all are current assets. These all are understand, identify in the problem. what is current asset, what is current liability. You solve these two ratios. Quick assets is equal to current assets minus stock plus prepaid expenses. Formula. Problem 1. Calculate first current ratio, second one liquidity or quick ratio. The following information. Cash 10,000, cash at bank 5,000, debitors 20,000, creditors 16,000, bills payable 4,000, bills receivables 5,000, stock 3,000, prepaid expenses 2,000, outstanding expenses 2,000. This is problem. In this problem, you calculate the two ratios. One current ratio, another one liquidity or quick ratio. These ratios, you apply the formulas. First, you calculate the current ratio. Current ratio formula is equal to current assets by current liabilities. In this ratio you calculate, you know the current assets and the current liabilities. This formula based, you identify the total current assets and total current liabilities. First one, cash. Cash is the current assets. So the table. This table is so current liabilities, so current assets. Cash also current asset. $10,000. Next, cash at bank. It is also current asset. Cash at bank. So the table. Cash at bank. Debitors. This is also current asset. So the table. Debitors. Debitors. Debitors 20,000. Next one is creditors. This is also liability. So current assets and liability table. Liability creditors. 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 Current liability creditors. Next, bills payable. It is also liability. So the liability table. Bills payable. Bills payable. Next one is bills receivables. This is also asset. So asset. Bills receivable. Bills receivable. Bills receivable. $5,000. Next, stock. This is also asset. So table asset side asset. Asset 3,000. Next, prepaid expenses. This is also asset. So the table prepaid expenses. Prepaid expenses. Asset side prepaid expenses. Last one is outstanding expenses. This is also liability. show the table outstanding expenses. Outstanding expenses. Outstanding expenses 2000. Outstanding expenses. All are over in the problem. Next, you calculate the total current assets. Total. These all are your total. 48,000. Next, calculate total current liabilities. 22,000. You identify the current assets, current liabilities. You apply the formula. Current ratio is equal current assets by current liabilities. Current ratio is equal current assets 48,000 by current liabilities 22,000 is equal 2.18. This ratio is over. Next, second ratio, you calculate the quick or liquidity ratio. Quick ratio is equal to quick assets by current liabilities. This formula. Already you calculate the current liabilities, we know. Only you calculate quick assets. This formula for apply. Quick assets is equal to current assets minus stock plus prepaid expenses. Already you calculate current assets 48,000 less stock and prepaid expenses. Stock 3,000, prepaid expenses 2,000. Stock 3,000, prepaid expenses 2,000. 3 plus 2,000 is equal to 48,000 minus 5,000 is equal to 43,000. Just apply to the quick ratio formula. Quick ratio is equal to quick assets by current liabilities. Quick assets you calculated 43,000. Current liability is calculated 22,000 by 22,000 is equal to 1.95. This ratio is over. Next, same is model second problem. Calculate current and liquidity ratios from the following information. Balance sheet as on 31st/12/2015. Liabilities to assets. Share capital, debentures, creditors 40,000, bills payables 10,000, bank overdraft 15,000, income tax payable 20,000. These all are liabilities. Assets, fixed assets 1,50,000, cash 2 lakhs, cash at bank 3 lakhs, debitors 60,000, bills receivable 30,000, stock 5,000, prepaid expenses 5,000. This is formula. In this formula, basically you calculate the two ratios, current ratio and liquidity ratio or quick ratio. That purpose you formula current ratio is equal current assets by current liabilities. First you identify the current assets and current liabilities. For apply this formula. In this problem, identify the current liabilities and current assets. You base this table. This table is all or you understand. Current liabilities and current assets. Only these items also current liabilities. This is also current assets. Other is not current assets, not current liabilities in the problem. Only this current liabilities and current assets. Remaining all are not current assets and current liabilities in the problem. Liability side, share capital, this is not a current asset. Debentures, this is not current asset, this is a long term loan, not before 1 year pay. These debentures pay the more than 2 years or 5 years, 10 years or 15 years. So this is not the current liability. Next, creditors, this is also current liability. Bills payable, this is also current liability. Bank overdraft, this is also current liability. Income tax payable, this is also current liabilities. These all are current liabilities. Next, current assets. Identify the current assets. Fixed assets. This is not a current asset. Cash, current asset. Cash at bank, current asset. Debitors, current assets. Bills receivable, current asset. Stock, current assets. Prepaid expenses, current assets. These all are current assets. Next, you calculate the total of current assets. This total current assets 1,50,000. Next, you calculate the total current liabilities. This total 85,000. You calculate current assets and current liabilities. This formula apply required current assets and current liabilities. Apply to the formula. Current ratio is equal to current assets 1,50,000 by current liabilities 85,000 is equal to 1.76. This ratio is over. Next one is second, quick ratio. Second one is quick or liquidity ratio. It is called a liquidity ratio. Formula is quick ratio is equal to quick assets by current liabilities. Quick assets, in this already you calculate the current liabilities. Already calculate current liabilities. You only calculate quick assets. That purpose use of the formula. Quick assets is equal to current assets minus stock plus prepaid expenses. current assets already you calculated. Total current assets 1,50,000 minus stock plus prepaid expenses. Stock 5,000, prepaid expenses 5,000. 1,50,000 minus 10,000 is equal to 1,40,000 quick assets. You apply to the formula. Quick ratio is equal to quick assets by current liabilities. Quick assets 1,40,000 by current liabilities already 85,000 by 85,000 is equal to 1.64. This ratio is over. These two ratios you calculated, you main formulas, two formulas, and understand the what what are current assets, what are current liabilities. This formula is you calculated. Thank you.